Hey guys, this is Braden with another hopefully fun video. Today I'm doing something that I've wanted to do for a really long time but haven't had the chance until this point, and that's unbox a brand new iPhone. So I actually haven't got a new iPhone in the box since 2014 when the iPhone 6 came out, and at that time my mom went to the store when the iPhone 6 was actually released. She picked up new iPhone 6s for both me and her, and I got it, and it was a lot bigger than the iPhone 4 that I had previously, and I thought it was too big, and so I actually took it back the next day, downgraded to the iPhone 5S, and so that was back in September of 2014, and so now we're in January of 2020, over 5 years later. Almost 5.25 years later before I got a new iPhone. And so I did replace my iPhone 5S with a 6 Plus when I broke that phone and my coworker upgraded. So I've had an iPhone 6 Plus for the last about 2 years. But today I'm opening a brand new iPhone 11 in red, 256 gigs. So let's jump right into it. So I got the box right here. It's still in the box it was shipped in. Got my trusty knife. So let's dive right in. So pretty. I love Apple's packaging. It just always looks so clean. As you can see, it is the red one, and it is the 256 gig as I mentioned earlier. Something new from the last time that I've done one of these, Apple has these new pull tabs, so you don't actually need any knives, which is super handy. So let's just open it up. Just like that, the wrapping comes off. We'll get rid of that. And here's the box. This box seems pretty big, bigger than I expected, but it is about the same size as my iPhone 6 Plus, so I should have probably expected that. Let's open it up. There it is. It is very red. Oh, I'm ruining the unboxing experience by dumping everything out. Clean phone. It's pretty. Crazy how big the screen is when you lose the home button. But yeah, clean iPhone. Let's take these nice clean covers off. That's so satisfying. There's not one on the back. So I like how it has the frosted camera inlay and then the glossy back. That looks nice. I'm actually going to put a case on it and cover up most of this red except for the camera bump. So maybe I'll do a unboxing on that case in an upcoming video. But yeah, let's dive in to see what else comes in this package. So this is the first iPhone I've had without a headphone jack, which is kind of interesting. And so that will definitely take some getting used to. I'll have to get a dongle for that as well. But in addition to the phone in the box, we have designed by Apple. Looks like their marketing brochures, product red, quick start guide, which is pretty small. I remember these actually being a lot bigger. We got a SIM removal tool, some safety instructions, and some Apple stickers, which everyone loves, but I've got a lot of these over the years. I always think it's cool to get stickers, but I've never actually put them on anything. So there's that for what that's worth. Put these back away. Get rid of this. Alright, what else is in this box? So we got a pair of EarPods, I believe they're called, which are just Apple's headphones, but they do come with the lightning port. Something that's kind of interesting is that these don't come with that hard case. If you had an older iPhone, you may remember that these actually came with a hard case to put them in, and so it's kind of disappointing to see that this one doesn't have that, but I guess that's what you get. Apple's getting cheap on their what they include. They don't include the headphone dongle, as I mentioned earlier, and so I guess we don't get a case for headphones either, which is kind of a bummer. Besides that, lightning cable and the standard 5-watt power adapter that comes with all iPhones, and that's about it. So got the power adapter, power cable, earpods. Can't get it all back in the box. Put that back in there. Put the phone back in. The prized possession is the phone. It's always on top, which is always good to see. And then case back on top. So it's kind of fun. I'm going to go sync this with my old phone, get everything backed up, and start playing with it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want some more content. I'll probably unbox my case, unbox my screen protector, maybe the dongle. And I do have an upcoming video on comparing the unboxing experience of the iPhone 11 to the 6S, because I actually have one of those and a lot of new accessories with that one. And so I wanted to compare how Apple's changed the unboxing experience over the last 5 years. So if you want to see that, look for a new video in the upcoming days and subscribe if you want to see that. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.